Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Lorenzo and this is Crypto with Lorenzo. In this video I'm going to talk to you about Polygon Matic, what it is, a little bit of background story about what this token is, what this crypto is, and why, in my opinion, and also an article that I found online, I would like to share it with you on the opinion that Matic could go above the hundreds of dollars in price evaluation. So with that being said, let's go straight into the video and let's look at this on the laptop. And I want to first start to show you what is Polygon and Matic. If you never heard of it, or if you heard of it but you never looked into it, what is it? Well, Matic is previously known as the Matic Network. Polygon nowadays is an interoperability layer 2 scaling solution for building Ethereum-compatible blockchain. The blockchain uses the Matic token for governance, stacking, and for gas fees with a proof-of-stake consensus mechanics. In brief, Polygon is a layer 2 scaling Ethereum solution. Polygon's network uses the Matic utility token. The Matic token is highly liquid with a market cap of 9,416,927,000 at the time of writing and reading this article. Polygon aims to become interoperable between blockchains. So, important and interesting thing here is also that Matic is a proof of stake. So, if you do hold any Matic, you can stake them to earn more passive income through staking Matic, which is a great idea. For example, I own a little bit of Matic. I don't own so many, but you know, it's a long-term investment that could really bring, you know, a lot of money in your pocket, because it's a lot, in my opinion, it's a very good project. And you also make passive income if you do buy it and you stake them. So how does Polygon work? Being a layer 2 scaling solution, Polygon uses a proof-of-stake system of validator for asset security, and stacking is an integral part of the ecosystem. Validators on networks stake their Matic token as a capital collateral in order to become part of the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Validators receive Matic tokens in return. Network members, the holders, can opt to not become validators and can delegate their token to their validator. This is the stacking process. However, members will take part in the stacking process and will earn stacking rewards. Finally, the network uses what is known as a proof-of-stake checkpointing. This means the consensus is ensured by a selected team of block producers appointed for each checkpoint by stackers. These producers allow the system to block at a rapid pace. At the same time, decentralization is maintained by delegating POS checkpoints to the main chain, which is initially Ethereum. The blocks are validated with the publishing of the periodical proof of blocks created by the block producers, thus affirming the decentralized mode of operation of the Matic network. So, this is a little bit the backstory. Of course, we can also go and look what is the Matic token. The Matic token is what you go and invest in, it's what you go and buy on an exchange such as Binance. You can find it also if you want to buy it from Binance. The link is below if you'd like to sign up with my referral link and help me out on a completely free way. You can check out the Binance link down below, or also on Ashendex, for example. You can go and subscribe to that as well if you're interested in other videos that I do in the channel, which is mostly also XCAD and Ziliqua. You can stake your XCAD on Ashendex at this current time. As mentioned, while Polygon has significantly expanded its initial vision laid out by the Matic network, it retains the Matic utility token. Matic is used for several reasons in the Polygon ecosystem, including network participation via governance voting on Polygon improved proposal, and contributing to securing with stacking as well as paying gas fees. This outlines 3 use cases for Matic token, which are common uses for utility token in the industry. So this is also, let's go and look at a second at the Matic token. So it has a maximum supply is capped to 10 billion tokens. So it is a little bit, it's not too much. 10 billion token, it's not too much, especially with a, you know, as of now there's 5 billion tokens, so half the tokens are in circulation and so on. But with that being said, let's go and look at the article I wanted to show you. So this is the article, 3 reasons why Polygon Matic token is targeting $300. So, Matic price is currently approaching the apex of the bull payment pattern, suggesting an 18,000% advance. The RSI and the MACD indicator supports this bullish outlook. On-chain metrics suggest that Polygon ascensus will not face massive hurdles. Matic price has been in consolidation phase for nearly 4 months, giving rise to a gigantic bullish pattern. As Polygon approaches a breakout point, investors can expect the altcoin to shoot into the stratosphere. Matic price coils up. This is an article anyway that, as you can see here, it's been written on the 10th of the 11th, 2021. So very few days prior to this video going out. And one important thing, we can also go and look now at the Polygon Matic price. I want to show you something interesting. So as of right now, the Polygon price is skyrocketing very much a high. So let's go, for example, on Coinbase. We can look at here, but let's go back and I want to show you something about the Polygon Matic price right now. Matic price shows an optimistic outlook due to the formation of a bullish pennant. The 18,000% surge that took place between December 2020 and 2021 created the flagpole, while the ongoing consolidation period that followed made the pennant. This continuation pattern signals an 18% upswing to $287. This would be massive, determined by measuring the flagpole height and adding to the breakout at 1,543. Therefore, a 3-day candle close above 1.54 or the permanent upper trend line is imperative for a bullish outlook to play out. We are now at those levels. While the above target is highly optimistic, investors must understand that the rallies are often overextended in bull runs. However, a much more conservative approach forecasts a 100% upswing to $3, a new all-time high, which is obtained by measuring the distance between the flagpole top to bottom and adding to the breakout point. So this is the let's say graphic that it's interesting to look. So here it went high and then it went down like this, and you see that you can create this triangle, and here this is where it was important to see. If it goes up, it would have gone up. Well, now this is the price of Polygon. As we can see on the 1 day, let's go and look at the 1 day, you see that it did stay steady. Where can we see it? Also here, you see it did stay steady, and then at this moment in time where all of these candles were matching and we were looking at those triangles, at those diagonal, you can see that it break out. So the price as of right now is €1.34, which in dollar is more or less $1.56. So it's been a massive, let's say, upbreak, and this is the beginning of the patterns. But that was just a price analytics that I wanted to show you. So another thing is the technical hint massive gains for Polygon. While this outlook is positive, the relative strength index, the RSI, suggests that Matic price has recently tagged the 44.95 level and is in for a bounce. Interestingly, Polygon ricocheted off the same barrier before it began its exponential upswing in the late 2020. If RSI closes above the decline trend line that connects the lower height formed since Matic price all-time high in May 2021, it will serve as a secondary confirmation for the start of a bull rally. Moreover, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, shows a recovery as a MACD, or the fast-moving line, the blue one, is climbing higher while the signal of the slow-moving line, the orange, is declining. If this trend continues, the line will move above the signal line, indicating a bullish crossover. We're talking about these few lines here. Another thing is this graphic here. This is the global in out of the money. So this is a little bit of a graphic, and we can see it about the Matic Network. This is another graphic. But on the other hand, the 360-day market value to realized value model for Polygon is hovering around 66.8%. This on-chain metric is used to identify if the holders that purchased Matic over the past year are in profit or loss. We are in a massive profit. So this was the article. You see, then they also, for example, Matic price to correct before Polygon enters 55, which I doubt is going to be $55, but it would be something really nice. This is a video that you can also find on the FXS Street YouTube channel that will show what the let's say information that you want to look when you look at the graphic and so on are. But this was an interesting article that I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to see with you, focus with you on what it is and why it is very interesting, in my opinion, to look at this article, to look at the price, and if it actually is going to go up, it's going to be massive. But guys, with that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you liked it. I tried my best to explain to you something that I found online. If you did leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment or share with all your friends if this video helped you, so that they can also get informed about the crypto news. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao!